Hi guys! Um, I just want to share to all of you lang kung ano yung laman ng aking bagong makeup kit. Okay. This one, I got this from Sunnies na grabe. Pinila ko pa to sa Glorieta just to have this kind of uh, makeup pouch. Okay. Share ko lang sa inyo what I've got inside of this bag. First on the list, I have this Dr. Pau Pau. It's for a tinted ultimate red balm. So this is good for your lips and cheeks. This is one of the best. Pag gusto mo na parang ano lang, parang lip balm lang yung dating. Actually, baka. Or, pwede rin siya sa cheeks, actually. Parang fresh lang. So, pwede siya. Right now, ayoko siya ilagay sa cheeks ko because nag-skincare na ako, okay? This one is the Dr. Pawpaw. I got this from Beauty Bar. Second, I have this. Right now, I'm using this Fit Me Matte Poreless press powder. Okay, I'm on the shade 220 or natural peach. Okay, then I also have here the oil clear sheet, which is mukhang paubos na. Then of course, lip balm. It's from the Bird's Bees. So okay to kasi minty siya. So, pwede mo siyang gawing lip balm. Pag ayaw mo mag-lipstick, so lip balm again. Then, I also have here, this is a YSL Radiant Touch. No? So, concealer siya, guys. It's a highlighter concealer. So, hindi ko naman siya madalas gamitin. Kaya lang, if siguro, in case of emergency, na gusto mo lang mag-touch up, pag feel mo super malaki na yung eye bags mo. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin. And then, I also got here, it's a small Dolce & Gabbana. Just in case, biglang magkaroon ng date. I mean, with your friends, no? So, pwede ito. Meron kang perfume. I also have here the Cover FX highlighter stick. So, pwede mo siyang gawin for highlights. Pag-glow lang din. And then, kailangan ko nitong Advil soft gel just in case for my migraine. Then, another perfume. So, this one, I got it from Sephora. Yung parang mga free deluxe size lang nila. And then, my favorite blush on ngayon, this one is from the Norse, the limited edition nila na upsize Norse Orgasm. It's a very one of the best blush on that I have right now. So, yan. Malaki siya. It contains 8 grams. When you open it, so, ayan siya. May mirror. And then, maganda siya. May hashtag. I don't know if you can see this, but what makes you blush? So, yun siya. And then, worth it siya. Although medyo pricey talaga siya. Pero I think this is worth it. And of course, my favorite lipsticks that I've got from Sunnies. What I have here is Major. Okay, ito yung pinaka-red nila na the blue undertone. Actually, ito yung suot ko kanina sa office. So, super red niya. Maganda talaga siya. It's very creamy. I also got here, this is in the shade Bake. Okay. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-best seller nila. It's a touch of orangey na brownish. Pero maganda rin siya. Then, this one is the Vicky. This is lighter than the Bake shade. So, medyo orangey siya. But not the orangey na parang pangit. This one is for the girl crush yung shade niya. It's kind of pink red, no? So, yeah. I got the 4 shades. So, okay. That's it. Yun lang ang laman ng aking pouch. Okay. Anyway, guys, yun lang. Shinare ko lang. Good night.